have a confession. I love coding, but I would rather watch paint dry than write documentation for learning projects. I built this simple tic-tac-toe game. It works mostly, but the README file is empty. Usually I'd have to tab out, use chatgpt, copy-paste context. It's a whole thing.
But if I just type Gemini right in my terminal, and boom, look at that retro ASCII art. That's how you know it's serious. I'm just gonna tell it to do my homework for me.
Now, there is an alternative CLI from Anthropic that is really good at coding, but to use that, you need an API key backed by actual US dollars. And since my bank account currently contains dust and hope, I went with the Google Gemini CLI. It has a generous free tier, so it fits my budget of $0.
Hey Gemini, make a README. Don't ask questions, just do it. It's a React app and writes the installation guide. Look at it go. It's literally writing the file in my directory. I didn't even have to open a text editor. Productivity level 1000, effort level 0.
Okay, let's check the damage. It made the file. It looks decent, but honestly, it's a little dry. It has no soul. I want to sound smarter than I actually am, so let's bully the AI a little bit. I'm telling it to add a project description, but notice I'm not copy-pasting my code. I'm just saying add a description. Watch this. It literally reads my app.jsx file automatically to figure out what the app does. It knows more about my code than I do at this point. It creates a description, I hit confirm, and boom, updated. It's like having a senior developer living in your command prompt, except this one doesn't judge my variable names. All right, the documentation is handled. Let's actually play the masterpiece. X goes here, all goes there, X blocks, and wait. It's a tie. The board is full, but the game just sits there. Back to the terminal, I'm just gonna complain to Gemini, hey, analyze the project and add logic for a tie. Look at the bottom there. It's scanning app.jsx, it understands the game state, it's thinking, calculating, and there it is. It didn't just give me text, it gave me a diff. It's showing me exactly what lines to add to handle the draw condition. This is wild. It's basically git merge, but with a brain. I press enter to apply, task complete. I haven't written a single line of code today.
Moment of truth. Let's recreate the stalemate. X, O, X, filling up the board. Boom, status equals tie. The code works. I fixed a bug in 30 seconds without opening VS Code. I feel like a hacker at a 90s movie.
And look at the summary screen. Tokens used, money saved, which is all of it, and I'm out. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how do I get this magic powers in my terminal? Let me show you. It's actually suspiciously easy.
First off, I'm running this on Ubuntu via WSL on Windows because I like to complicate my life, but this works on Windows Terminal too. It's recommended to run it on WSL, but then you'll have to install WSL and a Linux distro. Don't go there unless you want to waste hours on it and eventually figure out that you're not as techie as you thought you were. We will run it on Terminal instead. Neat Node.js installed. If you don't have that, I can't help you. The command is simple. npm install -g at google/Gemini-CLI. The -g is important. It installs it globally so you can summon anywhere like a digital genie. It's not loading. Grabbing the dependencies, core pack, yeah, just let it do its thing. Okay, we have liftoff. 576 packages later, we are installed. Let's verify it. Type Gemini-version. If you see numbers, you're good. If you see an error, Stack Overflow is that way.
Now we wake it up. Type Gemini. It's gonna ask for authentication. Now, you could use an API key if you're fancy, but I'm just gonna use the login with Google option because I'm lazy. Both are free, but you wanna save that extra effort of creating an API key and pasting it in Gemini CLI, then I recommend login with Google. You click it, it opens your browser. You pick your Google account, granting permissions. Don't worry, it only wants to read your your profile. We are in. The ASCII art is back. We have ascended. We are ready to rock.
So we've done coding, but what about nonsense? One of the coolest features is that this CLI isn't just a chatbot, it has access to your file system and the internet. Let's say I need a list of every electric type Pokemon for scientific research. I tell it, make a text file and list all electric type Pokemon. Watch the Google search tag pop up.
It's actually scraping the web in real time. It's not hallucinating Pikachu, it's looking him up. It found the data, now it's writing electricpokemon.txt to my folder. Done.
Let's open the folder. There it is. Pikachu, Voltorb, Zapdos. It even separated them by dual types. This is cleaner than most wikis. If you're a data hoarder or just need to generate dummy data for an app, this is a game changer. No more copy pasting from Wikipedia.
Okay, final test. Let's get meta. I want to know what's happening in the world of AI right now. I want a report, and I want it formatted nicely because I have standards. Prompt: write a text file with the latest news about AI and LLMs. Also, rank all models based on thinking. This is a heavy request. It has to search for news, find benchmarks, synthesize it, and format it. Amazing, you can see it's doing parallel searches at once for my two requests. Look at it churning. It's searching for ranking of LLM models, it's reading articles. This is basically doing the job of a tech journalist in 15 seconds. Sorry, journalists.
It's done. Let's look at the file. Ooh, look at that ASCII header. Classy. It's got the latest model releases, Gemini 5, GPT-01 updates, and look at the rankings. It's categorized them by reasoning capabilities. This is actually genuinely useful information, tailored exactly how I asked for it. It even cited the strengths and weaknesses. It's like having a personal research assistant that lives in a black box on your screen.
But I have to know. I have to ask the uncomfortable question. Where do you see Gemini 3 Pro in this ranking? I love that it has to Google itself. Who am I? It processes, and boom, it gives a humble brag answer. It places itself in tier 1 for multimodal and reasoning. Confidence is key, I guess. So that's the Gemini-CLI. It codes, it searches, it manages files, and it's free. If you live in the terminal, you need this. I'm going to go generate more text files I'll never read. If you dug this, hit the sub button so I can eventually afford the paid API keys. See ya!